Alright, now all this while we have been waiting for the June security patch update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and apparently a few European countries have already started getting this update, but in my region it's been delayed, maybe due to some reasons which we are not really sure about. However, on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I've just received this brand new update, the security patch level for June 2023, and the size is about 445.83 MB. As you can see in the changelog, we don't see any new features here. It talks about overall stability of functions improved, the security of your device has been improved. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of updates to the security policy. As you can see, the size is about 445.83 MB, which is bigger than average size that we get usually around 200 to 300 MB. This time it is more than 400 MB of security patch we have got. Now if you go to the settings and tap on About Phone, let's tap on software information and tap on Android security patch level here. It's going to take us to the android.com website wherein we will see the list of devices. I'll tap on Samsung here. As you can see, it says Samsung Mobile is releasing a maintenance release for major flagship models as part of monthly security maintenance release process. This SMR package includes patches from Google as well as Samsung. And we can see the vulnerabilities here, the critical ones, the high ones, and the moderate ones. When you scroll down below, it says along with Google patches, Samsung Mobile provides 11 Samsung vulnerabilities and exposures as described below. In order to improve our customers' confidence on security of Samsung mobile devices, we can see all these vulnerability details here. Just in case if you want to go through this, you can check this website by going to software update section in About Phone. So we need to take all these security patches very seriously. There will be many vulnerabilities which Samsung fixes every month. So do go ahead and check out the update for your Samsung Galaxy phone and download it as soon as you have the updates available. Now coming back to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, after this update the phone seems to be running pretty well. I don't see any issues whatsoever on the device as of now, and I'm not sure about the battery performance. I will test it out and let you know guys about how the phone is performing after this update. No new features added, but stability wise, yes, this device is very stable and it's a fantastic device. Even today, it just works like a charm without any issues. Of course, it's a flagship, so obviously it has to match the expectation. Now coming to the S23 Ultra, if you own this device, do let me know whether you got the update or not. It is supposed to be more than 2 GB of update with loads of improvements to camera. Let me know whether you received it, especially the folks in the Europe. Do drop a comment and let us know whether you see any improvements in the camera department or any new feature has been added or not. As soon as I get the update on the S23 Ultra, I will keep you guys posted. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find it informational. You guys take care and stay safe. My name is Salihan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.